issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois until 7:15 p.m. At 6:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Limestone, or near Kankakee, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This is a destructive storm for Kankakee. Hazard, softball-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be severely injured. Expect shattered windows, extensive damage to roofs, siding, and vehicles. Locations impacted include Kankakee, Bourbonnais, Bradley, Moments, Limestone, St. Anne, Chabents, Aroma Park, Hopkins Park, Sun River Terrace, Salmons Point, and Irwin. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern and east central Illinois. The severe thunderstorm